Vice Chancellor, ESUT, Your Excellencies here present, Service Chiefs here present, Deputy Vice Chancellor, members of ESUT Governing Council, please mind recognize the following persons here. The former Minister of Education, the former Minister of Petroleum, former Minister of Power, Professor Barton Nash, former IG of this nation, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, great ESUTites, great ESUTites, great ESUTites. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this auspicious and historic occasion for the 16th convocation ceremony of the Enugu State University of Science and Technology. I wish to welcome in a special way the Chancellor of ESUT, our brother, our friend, Ambassador Alhaji Dr. Hassan Adamu, CON, Wakili Adamawa. It is indeed worthy of mention that since you are appointed to this office, you have continued to demonstrate an uncommon affection for and commitment to the advancement of ESUT and the state in general. We are really excited and proud to have you as a partner in the ESUT project. I must also use this opportunity to commend the Governing Council and the management of ESUT for the tremendous transformation that has brought to the school in these past few years, which I have helped to elevate into the class of the best universities in this country. I am indeed highly impressed with the new height that ESUT has attained in academic excellence, in the quality of graduates, security on campus, discipline among staff and students, and also in the area of infrastructural development and general administration. These great strides are certainly in tune with the vision of this administration to make our educational institutions true citadel of learning and character formation for the benefit of these students and that of the entire society. I must mention that as a government, our policies in the educational sector have always been anchored on the desire to ensure that our children not only have access to education as of right, but also to have access to such education and in such environment as will enable them become meaningful contributors to the overall advancement of the nation. This is precisely why we have always endeavored to provide essential amenities and infrastructural necessities such as access, internal road, networks, regular power and water supply systems, ICT facilities, etc. To our educational institutions, ESUT is obviously a standout example of this noble initiative of the government. I recall with pride that it was under this our watch in 2011 that ESUT was able to hold its first convocation ceremony after an inexorable 12 years. Needless to say that I am delighted to observe that this ceremony has since become a regular event in the school, much to the relief of the students and their parents. I therefore wish to congratulate graduates, and of course their parents and guidance for successfully reaching the end of their study to attain academic glory, and by so doing, becoming part of the success story of this great institution. To the graduates, I charge you to go to the world and prove your mental with the training you have received in this school, as it is undeniable fact that the rate of unemployment remains high across the country. I urge you to be more creative and thoughtful in your search for meaningful employment. A good way to start is to aspire to also be employer of level by taking full advantage of various programs of government designed to encourage self-employment and generation of jobs through the establishment of small and medium-scale enterprises. In Enugu State, for example, we have a partnership with the Bank of Industry put in place a low-interest 1 billion naira loan scheme for small and medium-scale enterprises. There is also another 2 billion naira loan scheme that we instituted in partnership with Central Bank that will be launched next Monday, all designed to provide easy access to funds for the establishment of businesses, especially for unemployed graduates. As a matter of fact, the slogan in Enugu State today is that money is no longer a problem when it comes to establishing a business. I therefore urge you to key into these initiatives and help us improve your lives and consequently eradicate poverty and unemployment as well as all the behavior associated with them. May I use this medium to give a special thanks on behalf of His Excellency, the Chancellor, the Ambassador Adamu Wapelbi Adamawa, who has stood tall to serve for this number of years and have refused to receive or collect any emolument from this institution or the state. The Wapelbi Adamawa says thank you for this excellent service that you have shown to the nation of Nigeria, in particular to Enugu State. For some of us, they relate from you that we could serve without asking for our own interests, but for interests of the society we serve. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all for coming. I wish you very pleasant celebrations. God bless His Excellency, the Governor of Enugu State. God bless Enugu State. God bless His institution. Thank you. God bless.
ka nke a gasịrị, mmemme bidokwara gabazie n'ihu n'ụzọ pụrụ iche. Bidoziri kpọlitebezie ụmụ akwụkwọ ndị gụchagoro akwụkwọ ha n'ụzọ pụrụ iche ka e wee were asambodo ha weeyekwa ha ikike n'ụzọ pụrụ iche ka ha gabazie n'udo. Bidoro n'ịkpọlite ndị nkụzi ha, ya bụ ndị isi ndị nkụzi ha na ngalaba ebe ha gụrụ akwụkwọ n'ụzọ pụrụ iche. Lekwanụ ka nke a si mee.
Faculty of Education, please stand. Chancellor, sir, in the name of the Faculty of Education and by the authority of Senate, I present to you these persons, including those for whose cause are unavoidably absent, for whom the dean stands proxy, who have been found worthy, both in character and in learning, to be admitted to the degree of Bachelor of Education or Bachelor of Science. There are Ajuke Cecilia Chinyere, issued stroke 2009/11603 and 1,148 others. By the authority conferred on me, I I admit you all, including those for good cause, are unavoidably absent, but for whom the dean stands proxy. You have been found worthy, both in character and learning, to be admitted to the degree of Bachelor of Education or Bachelor of Science of Enugu State University and Technology.
ka emesiri ihe ndị a niile wee weziri asambodo n'ikike yezie ụmụ akwụkwọ agụsịgoro akwụkwọ n'afọ abụọ afọ 2016 a kpọniteziri ụmụ Igbo a na ụmụ Naịjirịa apịrị aka wee kpọpụta maka ihe ọma niile ha na-eme na Naịjirịa, ọkachasị otu ha si gbaa mbọ ịfụ na ụlọ akwụkwọ mahadum nke ESUT bụ ọkaibe. A kpọlitere ha wee tụnye ha ugo n'ụzọ pụrụ iche. A kpọliteziri nwafọ Igbo kara aka wee tụnye ya ugo n'ụzọ pụrụ iche maka ihe ọma niile ọ na-eme na Naịjirịa, ọkachasị na mahadum ESUT na nakwa Enugu niile gbaa gburugburu. Ana m ekwu maka onye nze onye ọkaiwu n'ụzọ pụrụ iche David Ogbodo etụnyere ya ugo dịka onye bugoro onye ọka mmụta ugbu a ejiri doctorate degree wee jaa ya mma n'ụzọ pụrụ iche. Ka ikirenu ka nke a si mee.
That's my father up there, so I'll take it from a picture.
Yes. Everybody should go back. Everybody should go back. This thing is not positioned very well. Don't snap on that. Sometimes you come out on paper. I'm Stop it. No, excuse me. My problem is my side. You should allow us, please. Wait. Don't give that side and do that. Come back. We have to leave.
Chief, hold on.
Economic development criteria, is going to be the first pharmaceutical company to manufacture tablets in Anambra State, rising in Anambra State and a part of the state. And it is the currently the largest indigenous manufacturing company in Nigeria.
It's true.
3,006 Nigerians, and the reason of being today very low for the dexterity and the managerial expertise of the president of the budget of science and importance of the mentality of the Nigerian. Good. It is
All right, one more.
that confirms good and welcome development.
Self-good. Okay. All right.